What are you doing with that?
Oh, what? This thing? I don't know.
Alright. Hey,
What a dumb book.
come on, man. Just give it back.
No, you're dumb, and so is this book. Like, it's actually terrible.
Come on. I was learning German.
Seriously, why don't we hang out like we used to?
Hey, Noah. Wanna play Snail World?
Yeah!
We do hang out. We're hanging out right now. And we hung out yesterday. What are you doing?
I'm gonna kill you.
Why?
I don't know. No reason. The video needs to be more interesting.
What video?
Doesn't matter. Water! I hate water! Look what's that over there! It's a jacket! What? I love jackets!
Any last words?
Well, mates, shouldn't be fighting.
Give me one reason why I shouldn't kill you.
I'm sorry. I guess I was just jealous of that book. How about we just go inside and play some FIFA? Ha! Got him!